What if I told you there's a brand new channel pulling insane numbers by taking a simple but unique twist on a trending niche? The channel is called Sketch Apocalypse. It was created back in December 2021, but here's the crazy part. They only started uploading 2 months ago. In that short time, they've pulled over 2.5 million views from just 23 videos. One of their videos hit 1 million views in 3 weeks, and another crossed 700,000 views shortly after. So what are they doing? Simple. They make videos about how to survive an apocalypse, the kind of information that feels entertaining but also oddly useful. Now, if you've watched my channel before, this might sound familiar. I've already covered apocalypse-style content before, but this channel did something different. They focus only on long-form content, and more importantly, their editing style. Instead of normal gameplay or stock footage, they use a clean, colorful whiteboard illustration style that makes the videos feel professional, addictive, and oddly satisfying to watch. Normally, creating videos like this would take days or even weeks, but these guys are doing it in under 30 minutes using AI. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do the same. Step 1, generate video ideas. Before anything else, you need topics. I've already done the hard work for you. In description, you'll find a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts. Copy the topic prompt, open ChatGPT, the free version works fine, paste it in, and choose how many ideas you want generated. I usually go with 25, pick one topic, and move on. Step 2, create the script. 2 ways. Option 1 is the classic method. Copy the script prompt from the same Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT, replace the placeholder with your topic, and let it generate the full script. Quick tip, always skim the script and tweak it slightly so it sounds human. Now, option 2 is the game changer, the tool they're actually using. The channel we're modeling uses an AI tool called Gulpo AI. It's a whiteboard-style video generator used by creators, companies, and even schools. It writes the script, generates the visuals, adds narration, and edits everything automatically. Yes, all of it. It's not fully free, but the growth plan is perfect for creators. You get enough credits to create multiple long-form videos every month. In minutes. How to use Gulpo AI, quick walkthrough. Once you log in, click Getting Started. You'll see a simple interface, a prompt box, options for script generation, voice settings, video duration, color and style options. For this niche, leave music off, choose long form, keep the video horizontal, enable color, enable script editing, paste in your topic, hit Generate Script, and tweak it if needed. Then click Generate Video. In about 10 minutes, your full video is done.
The sirens have been wailing for hours, a constant rising hum that gets under your skin. The power flickers, your phone is dead. The first instinct is to move, to go somewhere safe. But in a societal breakdown, the most dangerous decision you can make is choosing the wrong destination. Your survival might hinge not on where you go, but on where you never go. First, forget the city center. Downtown areas with their high-rises and dense populations become epicenters of chaos.
And the result? Clean visuals, perfect scene alignment, professional storytelling. Something that would normally cost hundreds of dollars on Fiverr, done automatically, editing and tweaks. Don't like a scene? No problem. Go to the library, open the video, click any scene, and tell the AI what to change. For example, make the gallon smaller. Hit Update. Done. Thumbnail creation. Last step, the thumbnail. Copy the thumbnail prompt from the Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT, replace the topic, and generate the prompt. Use your favorite image generator. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Adjust colors if you're branding your channel. This style is trending right now, and channels using it are blowing up quietly. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe.